Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we delve into the fabulous fashion choices of the one and only Digangana Suryavanshi. Known for her impeccable style and versatile fashion sense, Digangana has been turning heads in the industry. So, let's jump right into it. Digangana's casual chic style is something to admire. She effortlessly combines comfort with fashion. From ripped jeans paired with oversized sweaters to flowy maxi dresses, she nails the casual look. She often completes her outfits with sneakers or ankle boots for that extra edge. When it comes to traditional wear, she's often seen in stunning saris, lehengas and anarkalis. Her choice of colors and intricate embroidery is impeccable. We can't forget to mention her love for statement jewelry, it truly elevates her traditional looks. The actress knows how to steal the show on the red carpet. She's not afraid to experiment with bold silhouettes, vibrant colors and unique textures. Her red carpet gowns are always a talking point, and she pairs them with elegant accessories and flawless makeup. Street style is another realm where Digangana shines. Her mix of high-end and streetwear pieces creates a stylish and edgy look. She often rocks leather jackets, graphic tees, and trendy sneakers. Her confidence truly sets her apart in the street style game. Her makeup and hair choices also deserve recognition. She's known for her dewy, natural makeup looks and often experiments with different hairstyles, from sleek ponytails to beachy waves. Her fashion choices have earned her the status of a fashion icon. She seamlessly transitions between various styles, always looking elegant and confident. Her versatility is what makes her stand out in the fashion world. Digangana's casual wardrobe is a treasure trove of stylish and comfortable options. Let's take a closer look at some of her favorite casual choices. First up, denim is a staple in Digangana's casual collection. She often opts for classic blue jeans, distressed denim, and trendy high-waisted styles. For those chilly days, she loves to cozy up in oversized sweaters. Whether it's a chunky knit or a lightweight pullover, she manages to make sweaters look effortlessly stylish. Basic t-shirts are a go-to in Digangana's casual rotation. She pairs them with jeans, skirts, or shorts, proving that simplicity can be incredibly chic. The actress knows the power of a good outerwear piece. She's often spotted in leather jackets, denim jackets, and trendy blazers, adding that extra layer of style to her casual outfits. To complete her casual looks, her choice of footwear is on point. She loves sneakers, from classic white ones to vibrant, eye-catching designs. Ankle boots are another favorite, adding an edge to her outfits. Even in her casual ensembles, Digangana doesn't forget about accessories. She often adds a touch of glam with statement necklaces, hoop earrings, and trendy belts. Her bag game is strong. She's often seen carrying stylish backpacks, crossbody bags, and totes that perfectly complement her casual outfits. Let's dive into Digangana Suryavanshi's street style choices, where she truly showcases her edgy and trendy side. Street style often starts with a statement outerwear piece, and Digangana nails it. She rocks leather jackets, bomber jackets, and oversized blazers, giving her looks that edgy flair we all love. Graphic tees are a staple in Digangana's street style wardrobe. Whether it's band tees, quirky prints, or slogans, she adds a touch of personality to her outfits. Denim is a street style essential, and Digangana incorporates it in various ways. She wears distressed jeans, denim skirts, and even denim jackets to create effortlessly cool looks. She opts for bold and unique designs that instantly catch the eye and elevate her outfits. Accessories play a crucial role in Digangana's street style. She often adds funky sunglasses, chunky belts, and layered necklaces to bring that extra edge to her look. One of Digangana's secrets to street style success is her ability to mix and match unexpected pieces. She effortlessly combines high-end fashion with streetwear items for a unique and head-turning ensemble. What truly sets Digangana apart in the street style game is her confidence. Moving on to Digangana Suryavanshi's traditional wardrobe, where she exudes elegance and grace in every outfit choice. Saris are a timeless piece of traditional wear, and Digangana adorns them beautifully. She opts for a variety of saris, from classic silk to modern designer ones, showcasing her diverse taste. Lehengas are another favorite in her traditional collection. She often chooses intricately embroidered lehengas with vibrant colors, making her look like royalty at every occasion. For a more relaxed traditional look, Digangana gravitates towards elegant anarkalis and salwar suits. These comfortable yet stylish outfits are perfect for festivals and family gatherings. What makes her traditional outfits stand out are her blouse designs. She experiments with unique cuts, necklines, and sleeve styles, giving a modern twist to her saris and lehengas. To complete her traditional ensembles, the actress doesn't shy away from statement jewelry. She wears intricate necklaces, chandbalis, and mang tikas, adding a touch of opulence to her look. Hairstyles play a crucial role in traditional wear, and Digangana knows it well. She often styles her hair in classic buns, braids, or loose curls, enhancing the overall elegance of her traditional outfits. Her makeup in her traditional avatars is often minimal and focuses on enhancing her natural beauty. Soft eyeshadows, a hint of blush, and bold lips are her go-to choices. Digangana effortlessly masters the art of casual chic in her fashion choices. This style often includes well-fitted jeans or denim shorts paired with stylish blouses or crop tops. She might opt for casual sneakers or ankle boots to complete the look. Layers like light jackets or cardigans add versatility, making this a perfect choice for everyday wear. For a touch of ethereal beauty, Digangana selects flowing dresses in soft, pastel hues. These dresses often feature delicate lace, floral patterns, or sheer fabrics that evoke a sense of whimsy and grace. With minimal accessories and natural makeup, she creates a dreamy and romantic appearance. When embracing a street-style look, she incorporates urban-inspired elements such as graphic tees, oversized hoodies, and distressed denim. High-top sneakers or chunky boots, along with statement sunglasses, add a touch of edge to her street-smart ensembles. In a nod to modern feminism, the actress occasionally opts for power suits. Whether in bold, monochromatic colors or subtle pinstripes, these suits showcase her confidence and empowerment. Paired with heels and minimalistic accessories, she exudes authority and style. To channel her bohemian side, she chooses eclectic pieces like fringe vests, wide-brimmed hats, and layered jewelry. Earthy tones and flowy maxi dresses or skirts capture the essence of the boho aesthetic. These outfits are perfect for music festivals or free-spirited adventures. For high-profile events, Digangana dazzles in glamorous gowns that emphasize her elegance and sophistication. These dresses often feature intricate beadwork, sequins, or embroidery, making her a standout on the red carpet. Her makeup and hairstyling are equally polished, reflecting her star power. When enjoying some downtime at a tropical destination, she gravitates toward resort wear. Think breezy kaftans, swimsuit cover-ups, and wide-brimmed hats. Vibrant prints and beachy accessories complete her vacation-ready looks, showcasing her ability to embrace laid-back luxury. The actress effortlessly blends traditional and contemporary styles by opting for fusion outfits. This might include pairing a modern blouse with a traditional sari or combining a kurta with trendy palazzo pants. Her fusion looks celebrate India's rich heritage while staying fashion-forward. She occasionally embraces the power of monochrome outfits. These all-in-one color ensembles, from head to toe, create a sleek and streamlined appearance. Monochrome styling highlights her sophistication and attention to detail. For an active lifestyle, she chooses sporty outfits that prioritize comfort and functionality. This can include activewear like leggings, sports bras, and performance tops. Sneakers and a sporty backpack complete her athleisure look, which is perfect for workouts and outdoor adventures. She keeps her finger on the pulse of seasonal fashion trends, incorporating them into her wardrobe. Whether it's embracing the Pantone color of the year or experimenting with emerging styles, she stays fashion-forward and relevant. Occasionally, Digangana embraces retro fashion by donning vintage-inspired outfits. She might opt for aligned dresses with polka dots, high-waisted pants, or cat-eye sunglasses. This nod to past eras showcases her appreciation for timeless fashion. For a preppy and refined look, she chooses classic pieces like tailored blazers, pleated skirts, and Oxford shirts. These outfits exude sophistication and can be dressed up or down for various occasions. In keeping with contemporary fashion trends, the actress occasionally gravitates towards minimalistic and modern ensembles. These looks feature clean lines, neutral colors, and sleek silhouettes, emphasizing simplicity and elegance. Floral prints play a significant role in her wardrobe. Whether it's floral dresses, skirts, or blouses, these outfits exude femininity and add a burst of color to her style. She often pairs them with accessories that complement the floral patterns. To infuse a touch of rebellion into her style, Digangana opts for leather pieces like jackets, skirts, or pants. These edgy items add attitude and contrast to her otherwise elegant and feminine outfits. Celebrating her Indian heritage, she occasionally selects traditional Indian attire like saris, lehengas, and anarkalis. These outfits are often rich in colors, embellishments, and intricate detailing, reflecting her cultural roots. She occasionally creates her own unique fashion pieces, whether it's customizing denim jackets, distressing jeans, or adding embellishments to clothing. Her DIY fashion adds a personal touch to her wardrobe. While she appreciates classic fashion staples, she also redefines them by adding her own twist. For example, she might wear a classic white shirt with an unexpected skirt or accessory, making the outfit uniquely her own. During colder seasons, she incorporates stylish outerwear into her looks. Whether it's cozy coats, trendy puffer jackets, or fashionable trench coats, she ensures she's prepared for the weather without sacrificing style. The actress supports sustainable fashion by incorporating eco-friendly and ethical brands into her wardrobe. She occasionally showcases outfits made from sustainable materials, promoting conscious consumer choices. Her fashion choices often blend high-end designer pieces with affordable fashion items, demonstrating her ability to create stylish looks while being mindful of budget. She's not shy when it comes to playful prints like stripes, animal prints, or geometric patterns. These prints add character and vibrancy to her outfits, reflecting her fun-loving spirit. Digangana occasionally makes a bold fashion statement with eye-catching outerwear. This might include fur coats, leather jackets with unique detailing, or colorful trench coats that become the focal point of her ensemble. To enhance her bohemian-inspired looks, she pairs outfits with eclectic accessories like fringed bags, stacked bangles, oversized hats, and layered necklaces. These additions embody the free-spirited essence of boho chic style. When she's on the go, Digangana prioritizes comfort and versatility. She often selects travel-friendly attire such as cozy sweaters, jogger pants, and oversized scarves to stay stylish and comfortable during her journeys. While she sometimes opts for minimalistic monochrome looks, she also dares to go bold with vibrant monochromatic outfits that make a striking statement. These head-to-toe color choices are daring and eye-catching. For a touch of femininity and drama, she selects garments featuring tulle skirts, ruffled blouses, and dresses with cascading layers. These pieces create an ethereal and romantic vibe in her fashion choices. Occasionally, she chooses clothing adorned with artistic and abstract patterns. These pieces reflect her appreciation for art and add an artistic dimension to her style. One of her fashion strengths is her ability to mix and match various styles and pieces. She effortlessly combines contrasting elements to create outfits that are uniquely hers, showcasing her eclectic taste. Her fashion choices sometimes align with environmental activism. She may choose eco-friendly, sustainable, or upcycled fashion pieces to raise awareness about environmental issues in the fashion industry. When it comes to workwear, she often redefines office attire by incorporating unconventional yet stylish elements, such as wide leg pants, statement blouses, and unique blazers. Her choice of footwear is equally diverse, ranging from elegant stilettos and classic pumps to edgy combat boots and comfy sneakers. Her shoe selection complements her overall look and adds personality to her outfits. Digangana embraces the enduring appeal of denim by incorporating various denim pieces into her fashion choices, including jeans, jackets, and jumpsuits. Denim's versatility aligns perfectly with her style. The actress often incorporates timeless accessories into her outfits, such as classic watches, pearl necklaces, and elegant stud earrings. These pieces add a touch of sophistication to her overall look. Digangana skillfully combines high-end designer pieces with more affordable fashion items. This mix of high-low fashion demonstrates her ability to create stylish and budget-conscious looks. In alignment with eco-conscious fashion, she occasionally chooses sustainable and eco-friendly clothing made from organic materials or recycled fabrics. Her commitment to sustainability is reflected in her wardrobe. She's open to exploring gender-fluid fashion by incorporating pieces traditionally associated with both men and women. This fluid approach to fashion allows her to express her unique style without boundaries. When going for an athleisure look, Digangana selects comfortable yet stylish activewear pieces like leggings, sports bras, and hoodies. She often pairs them with fashion sneakers, creating a casual yet trendy vibe. Her fashion choices often include textured fabrics like velvet, corduroy, and tweed. These fabrics add depth and tactile appeal to her outfits, creating a rich and luxurious feel. She completes her looks with statement sunglasses that range from oversized, retro-inspired frames to modern and edgy designs. These sunglasses elevate her style and protect her eyes from the sun. She embraces season-appropriate clothing, from cozy sweaters and knitwear in winter to breezy sundresses and swimwear in summer. Her seasonal wardrobe ensures she's always fashion-forward, regardless of the weather. While not a clothing choice per se, her hairstyles are an integral part of her fashion. She may opt for sleek straight hair, voluminous curls, or elegant updos, adding yet another layer to her overall style. Let's delve deeper into the world of Digangana's hairstyles. Her hair game is on point, and she knows how to switch it up for different occasions. For formal events and traditional wear, the actress often opts for classic updos. Whether it's an elegant bun, a twisted chignon, or a braided updo, these hairstyles add a touch of sophistication to her look. Loose waves are one of Digangana's signature styles. She effortlessly rocks this look with both casual and red carpet outfits, giving her a relaxed yet glamorous appearance. When it's time for a sleek and polished look, Digangana goes for straight hair. She keeps it simple yet striking, often pairing it with bold makeup for a more dramatic effect. For a fun and carefree vibe, the actress often embraces beachy waves. This style adds texture and volume to her hair, creating a youthful and playful appearance. The half-up, half-down hairstyle is a versatile choice in her repertoire. She uses this style to keep her hair out of her face while maintaining a chic and trendy look. When it comes to ponytails, she knows how to make them anything but ordinary. She experiments with high ponytails, low ponytails, and even adds twists or braids for a unique twist. Fishtail braids are a favorite of Digangana when she wants to add a touch of whimsy to her look. Whether it's a single fishtail braid or multiple intertwined braids, she pulls them off flawlessly. For a modern and chic appearance, Digangana often goes for top knots and buns. She plays with the placement and size, turning a simple hairstyle into a fashion statement. Vintage-inspired retro waves are another hairstyle that Digangana rocks with grace. These glamorous waves harken back to the golden era of Hollywood, making her look timeless. To add a pop of color to her hair, she occasionally incorporates colored streaks. Whether it's pastel hues or vibrant tones, these streaks showcase her playful side. When she wants a more intricate look, the actress often opts for twisted and braided updos. These styles require precision and creativity, and she pulls them off effortlessly. Embracing the messy chic trend, Digangana's hairstyles exude an effortless charm. Tousled waves, bedhead bobs, and disheveled updos are all part of her repertoire. Let's explore the world of makeup through Digangana Suryavanchi's mesmerizing choices. Her makeup game is as diverse as her fashion sense, and she knows how to enhance her natural beauty. She often embraces a subtle and dewy makeup look. She prioritizes natural-looking foundation and minimal coverage, allowing her skin to shine through for that healthy, radiant glow. Defined eyebrows are a must in her makeup routine. She ensures that her brows are perfectly groomed and filled in, framing her eyes beautifully. The classic winged eyeliner is a favorite for Digangana when she wants to add a touch of sophistication to her look. She creates sharp and precise winged lines to enhance her eyes. For a more sultry and mysterious vibe, the actress goes for soft smoky eyes. She blends neutral eyeshadows expertly to create a subtle smokiness that complements her style. Achieving that lit from within glow is crucial in Digangana's makeup choices. She loves using luminous highlighter on her cheekbones, brow bones, and the tip of her nose for that ethereal radiance. She effortlessly transitions from natural daytime looks to glamorous evening makeup, showcasing her skill in adapting to different occasions. Let's explore how to accessorize like Digangana and add that extra flair to your outfits. She often elevates her looks with statement necklaces. Whether it's chunky, beaded, or with intricate designs, a bold necklace can transform a simple outfit into a fashion statement. Embrace the art of layering when it comes to jewelry. Like Digangana, combine multiple necklaces or bracelets of varying lengths and styles to create a unique and personalized look. Earrings can make a big impact. Digangana often chooses statement earrings, from chundbalas to hoops to studs, depending on the occasion and her outfit. Scarves and shawls are versatile accessories that the actress uses to add texture and color to her outfits. They can be draped elegantly over shoulders or tied creatively around the neck. Handbags are both functional and fashionable. She often selects handbags that complement her outfits, whether it's a classic tote, a stylish clutch, or a trendy backpack. She incorporates hats, turbans, or hair accessories to add an extra layer of style to her look. When opting for a more casual yet stylish look, she occasionally chooses rompers or jumpsuits. These one-piece wonders are both comfortable and fashionable, making them ideal for various occasions, from brunch with friends to casual evening outings. She might add a touch of wild and exotic to her outfits with animal print accessories or clothing. Whether it's a leopard print scarf, zebra striped shoes, or a snake print clutch, these accents infuse a sense of adventure into her style. Layering is a technique she employs masterfully. She combines various garments to create well-coordinated layered looks. This not only adds depth to her outfits but also allows her to adapt to different weather conditions. Digangana stays in tune with seasonal color palettes, incorporating shades that are in vogue during a particular time of year. This adds freshness and relevance to her style, keeping her looks current. In colder months, turtleneck sweaters and tops become a staple in her wardrobe. These cozy pieces are both fashionable and functional, keeping her warm while looking effortlessly chic. Her commitment to sustainable fashion extends to accessories. She occasionally opts for eco-friendly handbags, belts, and jewelry, supporting brands that prioritize environmental consciousness. While she sometimes embraces bold and vibrant colors, she also demonstrates an appreciation for monochromatic outfits. These all-black or all-white ensembles create a sleek and elegant appearance. She's known to wear clothing with empowering slogans or graphics, using fashion as a platform to convey meaningful messages and support causes close to her heart. Digangana's fashion choices are a reflection of her confidence and attitude. She wears each outfit with a sense of self-assuredness, making her style not just about what she wears, but how she wears it. In addition to eco-friendly clothing, she often opts for sustainable footwear made from renewable materials, recycled plastics, or cruelty-free alternatives. These conscious choices reflect her commitment to ethical fashion. She occasionally incorporates statement blazers into her wardrobe. These blazers may feature striking patterns, bold colors, or unique textures, instantly elevating her look with a touch of sophistication and confidence. Digangana has an appreciation for vintage fashion. She occasionally integrates vintage pieces into her outfits, whether it's a retro dress, antique jewelry, or a classic handbag that adds a nostalgic charm to her style. In keeping with eco-friendly fashion, she may choose clothing made from natural, sustainable materials like organic cotton, hemp, or bamboo, promoting environmentally conscious choices. In response to the global pandemic, she incorporates fashionable face masks into her ensembles, often matching them with her outfits, ensuring safety without compromising style. That wraps up our exploration of Digangana Suryavanshi's fabulous fashion choices. Whether it's casual, traditional, red carpet, or street style, she knows how to slay it all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.